It's my pleasure this morning to kick us off and introduce Dr. Sharon Hung. She's the Director of Women's Health for the Primary Care and Population Health Department and the course director for today's conference. Dr. Hung is a board-certified internal medicine physician who practices at Santa Clara in Stanford Internal Medicine Clinic. In addition to her clinical interests in preventative medicine and managing chronic medical conditions like diabetes, osteoporosis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, she creates educational resources for primary care providers on various women's health topics, and we're so lucky to have her here at Stanford. Prior to working at Stanford, she was on faculty at the University of Arizona College of Medicine, where she oversaw the outpatient residency education curriculum and created educational resources for providers regarding managing hypertension and high cholesterol in the elderly, and gave a grand rounds lecture on medication safety and geriatric population. I want to express my gratitude for her leadership and vision in putting together this conference today. We're so excited to kick it off.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Women's Health and Primary Care CME conference. I wanted to introduce Dr. Kate Shaw, who just spoke, who's the Division Chief of Gynecology and the Associate Chair of Education at Stanford University. Her support and enthusiasm for this collaborative effort between our departments has been instrumental in making this whole conference possible. Thank you, Dr. Shaw, for helping recruit all the amazing group of gynecologists we have speaking today. This is today's course agenda. We have 6 topics for you this morning. I think you'll really enjoy that each lecture will be given by a primary care provider and a gynecologist. From the PCP, you'll hear a case presentations, initial workup, as well as the burning questions we often have in primary care that we wish we could ask a gynecologist. We'll then learn more from our specialty speaker about their insights and advice on the topic. Many of our gynecologists here today are experts in the field they'll be speaking on.